We are looking now at quite a scarce Spanish imprint from the middle of the 19th century that is still in its original, very scarce plain paper wrappers with a plain spine title label. We see here it's volume 5, part of a larger set, which is very rare. Any volumes from this set are very scarce. This is Madrid, 1859. It's entirely untrimmed here. The edges are deckled as issued. The book, this would have been a temporary paper binding, but from the publisher, with the idea that an owner would have bound the book in leather or cloth or something, but just not left it looking in this state here. This was a temporary state. What interests us about this work is that it contains 2 large folding maps, which are very scarce. If you collect Spanish regional maps or maps of Spain, there's a very strong chance you don't have either of these maps. This one we see here is this coastal region on the Mediterranean of southern Spain, Cartagena, and so let's just take a look at this next one. This is a second lithographed map, actually, which is of this ancient province. Same map region as the previous map, but according to the system of Ptolemy. So it is a modern Ptolemaic map, and lithographed in Madrid. The imprint is at the lower right. And so these 2 folding maps appear within this text, which is in Spanish, although at the back I did see, yes, there is a fair bit of Latin. Let me see here. Yes, some Latin as well. And there's actually here this 3rd folding engraved plate here of ancient medals of Toledo, as well as this column with what appears to be a downward view of it. So those are ancient coins there. And so this book with these engraved plates and lithographed plates is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.